Hello everyone, friends! In this video, I'll show you how to connect absolutely any broker to MetaTrader 5. And for this, all you need is a mobile phone. Be sure to download the app. This is what it looks like. I have it at the bottom left, I've already downloaded it. At the bottom right, I have the settings. I go into these settings and select New Account. And now, in the top field, you need to select the broker you plan to trade with. I'll show an example using the broker Exness, but it can be absolutely any broker. I type in Exness and scroll all the way down to Exness Technologies. Here, I have several fields that need to be filled in at the top. This is the server, then the login and password. How to find all this? Let's now go to the Exness broker. I already have an account with this broker. By the way, if you haven't registered with any broker yet, be sure to check the description and use my link. For registering, I'll give you a specially selected book where I've collected the best patterns that work on the Forex market. So I've now logged into the Exness website and now I need to find any trading account. If I don't have a trading account open, I need to create one accordingly. Let's do this as an example using a demo account. I actually already have one, a demo account exists. And here, using this example, I'll show you everything you need to enter. So we can see that we have a server, Exness MT5 trial. Accordingly, we need to go back into the MetaTrader app, MetaTrader, and where it says server, find exactly that one. We found MT5 trial and selected it. Now we need to enter the login, so we enter the login, and there's also a password. Honestly, I don't remember my password for the demo account, so I need to reset the password and come up with a new one. I choose change trading passport. Let's come up with a new password. And we enter this password here. And then we click login at the bottom. So the trading terminal is now connected. I already have some old trade here. I was testing and experimenting on the demo account. Now let me briefly explain how to work in MetaTrader. At the bottom you have a panel. There's a workspace panel at the bottom left, quotes, and at the top there's a search bar. There we search for, say, Eurodollar, add it, and then go back. Now at the bottom we have Eurodollar. We select it, tap chart, and the chart loads. Now to open a trade we need to tap the little square at the top right. A new window will appear with sell and buy options. In the middle we have the lot size. Let's choose 0.1. For example, let's select sell. We accept the terms. Tap sell again. And now we've opened a short position. Next we can immediately set stop losses and take profits right on the chart, and I really like this feature. The Trader 5 method allows you to do this right in the moment while you're trading. So I select this dashed line and choose stop loss. And then I immediately set the take profit. And the coolest thing about this MetaTrader is this. When you move the sliders, you can see the current profit you'll get if those targets are reached, and then you just tap the arrow. So in this way we've opened a trade, set the stop loss, set the take profit. Let's move on. Now to trading. Here we can see the trade history, and we can close these trades by swiping left and closing them, guys. This way you can connect absolutely any broker to MetaTrader 5 and trade using your mobile phone. So make use of this guide and be sure to subscribe to this channel.